Have you ever thought why we generally take different food items during different times of the day or on different days? Sometimes we take only bread, butter or paratha, egg or milk. At other times, we take roti, rice, dal, salad, vegetables or curd. At another time, we take rice, sambar, fish curry, vegetable and pickle. At times we take only fruits. What difference will it take to the body if we eat the same food at all times on all days? Why do your parents insist that you take enough milk and fruits? Why do the dietitians suggest that we should regularly take leafy green vegetables, fruits, lot of water and a balanced diet? What is a balanced diet? Why is it essential to have good eating habits? This chapter will help you to get answers to all these questions and many more. Components of food. The food we eat is made up of more than one ingredient. The popular dish kheer contains rice, milk and sugar. Similarly, dosa is made up of rice, dal, oil and salt. The ingredients of all such food items contain components which are needed by our body. These components are called nutrients. The nutrients are chemical substances needed by our body for proper growth and functioning. The main nutrients are known as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. In addition to these nutrients, our body also requires roughage and water for its better functioning. Different foods we eat contain these nutrients in different proportions. Let us learn more about these nutrients and their usefulness for our body. Carbohydrates. These are chemical substances, compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen and are the main sources of energy for our body. A majority of us take chapati, paratha, bread, rice, etc. in our daily meal. Have you ever wondered why? Because these foods are rich sources of carbohydrates and provide energy to the body for carrying out our daily activities. Some of the other common foods which contain carbohydrates are bajra, potato, banana, sugar, rice, fruit, juice, glucose, etc. Plants are the main source of carbohydrates. Inside our body, carbohydrates combine with oxygen during respiration, get oxidized and produce energy. There are different kinds of carbohydrates. Common carbohydrates present in our foods are in the form of sugar and starch. Sugars such as glucose and fructose are simple in structure, whereas starch has comparatively complex structure and contains more energy. Glucose and fruit juices contain sugars, whereas potato and rice are rich in starch. Proteins. These are the chemical substances containing nitrogen, carbon, oxygen and hydrogen and are essential for growth, repair and maintenance of our body. Some common foods rich in protein include pulses, beans, nuts, milk, cheese, eggs, fish, etc. We get proteins from plants as well as animals. However, animal proteins are known to be better than plant proteins. Can you guess why? Proteins are known to form hemoglobin, which carries oxygen from one part of the body to another. They also help in creating antibodies in the body which fight infection and protect the body from disease. Fats. Fats are also energy-giving food components and make the body strong. These are compounds of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. However, same amount of fat provides more energy than carbohydrates. Can you guess why? We get fats from animals as well as plants. Ghee, oil, butter, milk, meat, etc. are some common foods containing fats. Nuts and some seeds also contain fats. These protect internal organs against shock and also contain many important hormones to regulate our body activities. Vitamins. In addition to carbohydrates, proteins and fats, our body also requires another kind of compounds called vitamins for its proper functioning and good health. However, these are required by the body in minute quantities. In addition to keeping our eyes, teeth, skin, bones, etc., healthy vitamins also protect our body against many diseases. Absence or deficiency of vitamins in our regular diet may result in diseases called deficiency diseases. Different kinds of vitamins are known by different names such as vitamin A, C, D, E or K, etc. In addition, there is a group of vitamins B1, B2, B6 and B12 known as vitamin B complex. Different vitamins have different vital functions in the body. This is shown in the table given below. Kind of vitamin. Vitamin A. Function. Keeps skin and eyes healthy. Vitamin B, group of vitamins. Helps in proper functioning of nerves and muscles. Vitamin C. Keeps blood vessels, teeth, gums healthy. Heals cuts and injuries. Vitamin D. Makes bones and teeth strong. Different food items and in particular fruits and vegetables provide us with required vitamins. The following table gives us this information. Kind of vitamin. Vitamin A. Food item. Papaya, milk, mango, carrot. Vitamin B. Green vegetables, eggs, milk, whole cereals. Vitamin C. Orange, guava, tomato, amla, lemon. Vitamin D. Milk, butter, eggs, fish. Do you take sufficient fruits, green vegetables and other foods to get required vitamins for maintaining good health? Discuss it with your friends and parents. Minerals. Besides vitamins and other nutrients mentioned in the preceding sections, our body also requires some elements like iron, calcium, potassium, sodium, magnesium, chlorine, iodine, etc. for proper growth and functioning. These are called minerals and are contained in different foods in the form of their salts. These are also needed by the body in very small quantities, but are extremely essential. Different foods provide different minerals. The following table gives information about a few main minerals. Mineral: calcium, food item, milk and eggs. Potassium, dal and fish. Iron, green leafy vegetables, apple. Sodium and chlorine, common salt. Phosphorus, banana, milk. Iodine, fish, iodized salt. Have you noticed that a single food item, fruit or a vegetable contains more than one nutrients? Roughage. Undigestible fibers materials of food is known as roughage. It is an important part of our food. It helps in the proper functioning of digestive system. However, roughage does not provide any nutrient to our body. All plant products contain cellulose, which is a kind of roughage. It is not digested by our body but helps in smooth movement of waste, keeps digestive system normal and prevents constipation. Food items like apple, orange, pear, cabbage, whole pulses, etc. contain high amount of roughage. Roughage retains water in the body by absorbing it in large quantity. Water. Water is essential for human survival. It helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. Water helps to keep our body cool and healthy, keeps our skin smooth and glowing, and helps in removal of waste in form of sweat and urine. We also get water through milk, tea, juices, fruits and vegetables. Excessive loss of water leads to dehydration, which is dangerous for life. Classification of food on the basis of its function. It can be easily observed from the preceding sections that food can be divided mainly into three groups on the basis of function it performs. These are food, energy-giving food, body-building food, protective food. Energy-giving food. The foods which give us energy are called energy-giving foods. These foods include carbohydrates and fats-rich food, example, rice, bread, wheat, ghee, butter, milk, etc. Body-building food. The foods which help in bodybuilding by making new cells and repairing tissues are called body-building foods. Example, protein-rich foods, fish, egg, milk, pulses, cheese, etc. Protective food. The foods which protect the body against the diseases are called protective foods. They include essential vitamins and minerals. Examples, fruits, vegetables, egg, milk, fish, etc. Balanced diet. The food which a person takes is called a diet. A diet which contains all nutrients in proper amount, proportion, as is required by our body for normal growth and functioning is called balanced diet. It includes energy-giving food, body-building food, minerals, vitamins, roughage, and water. All essential nutrients and roughage are needed for proper functioning of the body and good health. Deficiency diseases, disorders. Lack of any of the nutrients can cause abnormalities and diseases. These are called deficiency diseases. Lack of proteins in food for a long time may lead to stunt growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, skin diseases, and diarrhea. If food has deficiency of proteins and carbohydrates, both called PEM, protein energy malnutrition, it causes a disease called marasmus, in which the growth stops completely. Some diseases, disorders are caused due to lack of vitamins and minerals in food. These are given in the table below. Vitamin, mineral. Diseases, disorders. Symptoms. Sources, food items. Vitamin A, loss of vision, poor vision, night blindness, green leafy vegetables, carrot, papaya, fish liver oil. Vitamin B1, berry, weak muscles and very little energy to work. Meat, eggs, whole grains, milk. Vitamin C, scurvy, bleeding gums, citrus fruits, amla, tomato. Vitamin D, rickets. Bones become soft and weak, bending of bones. Fish liver oil, milk, sunlight. Calcium, weak bones and teeth. Weak bones, early tooth decay. Milk, meat, leafy vegetables. Iodine, goiter, swelling in neck, enlargement of thyroid, mental disability. Iodized salt. Iron, anemia, weakness. Meat, egg, spinach.